In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the canvas and the right-hand design panel. Make sure the object you want to adjust is selected. This can be a shape, a frame, an image, or a group. When an object is selected, you'll see its bounding box with corner handles, which is your cue that it's ready to rotate. The most visual way to rotate is directly on the canvas. Move your cursor toward any corner of the selected object. Then hover just outside the corner handle. Watch for the cursor to change into a curved, double-ended rotation icon. That's your signal that rotation is active. Click and drag in a circular motion to rotate the object. As you drag, Figma gives you live feedback, so you can judge the angle by eye and position the object exactly how you want it. If you need clean, consistent angles, hold the Shift key while you drag. This snaps the rotation to 15-degree increments, making it effortless to hit common values like 15, 30, 45, 60, or a perfect 90 degrees. This is ideal for aligning elements, creating patterns, or maintaining a precise design rhythm. If you want exact control, use the design panel in the right sidebar. With the object still selected, look toward the top of the panel for the transform section. You'll see a rotation field marked with an angle icon. Click into that field and type the specific angle you need, like 45 degrees for a clockwise rotation or -90 degrees for a counterclockwise turn. You can enter whole numbers or decimals for fine-tuned adjustments, and the canvas updates immediately so you can confirm the result. This method is great when you are matching brand guidelines, aligning to a grid, or reproducing a rotation across multiple elements. Here is also a fast tactile way to fine-tune that same value without typing. Hover your cursor over the rotation icon or its label until it changes to a horizontal scrubbing cursor. Then click and drag left to decrease the angle or right to increase it. This gives you smooth, continuous control and a live preview. Perfect for nudging an element into place while watching how it sits with surrounding content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.